Hi everyone, it's Chantal. In today's training, I'm going to show you how to set up your quiz settings. Let's get started. Choose a section you will be uploading your quiz in, and then go to the right-hand corner to add training material, and you will go all the way down to test. From here, you will be prompted to put in a title and a description of the test. If there's a specific time restraint or anything important that you would like the students to know, this is the place to put it. Go ahead and scroll down and save changes. This will bring you to this window. The first thing we want to do is set up the settings in your quiz. We will be focusing on the first three tabs. On the first option is Test Options. Go ahead and click Test Options. This page has three options as well. You can set question display, set attempt options, and set feedback options. This is completely up to you. As it goes for page views, you can show all the questions grouped in one or more pages, or show one question per page. Then you have the question option, which allows you to structure how your questions show up. The most popular option is to show all the questions arranged in sequence test on the tests edit page, meaning the questions will show up as you add them in the quiz. The last option here is the answers view, and once again, the most popular one is to show all the answers arranged in sequence set on questions edit page. Meaning, once again, that the answers will be shown exactly how you've inputted them in the quiz. Now you're ready to move on to the Set Attempts option. One option you're going to want to make sure that you have clicked is the first one, force users to answer all questions. At the bottom, the default maximum number of set attempts is set at 0, meaning that the student has an unlimited number of attempts. If you would like to create a specific set of attempts, go ahead and add the number here. Feel free to click and unclick the boxes you would prefer in your quiz. The third option is Set Feedback Options. This allows you to control what the user sees upon completing or going through the test. For score display, make sure that you choose one of the following options that you would prefer. The default is set to show final score if possible. This is only possible if you do not need an instructor to evaluate the course before they can get a passing grade. It's perfect for multiple choice quizzes and tests. The second option is to show submitted answers. This will allow the user to see which answers they have already answered. The default is already set to yes. And the last option here is show correct answers. You have four options to choose from. The first option is that the user can see that they've answered a question correctly immediately. Our preferred option is the third one, allowing users to see the correct options once they have submitted and passed the quiz. You can now go ahead and save those changes. The second setting option is time management. From here, you can choose if you would prefer them to have a specific time limit or not. When you have chosen the correct option, save changes. The third setting we are going to look at is score management. Each test and quiz will have a different minimum required to pass the test. You get to choose this. You can either express it as a number or as percentage. Enter in the number and then make sure that you choose the correct score you would like displayed. The bottom section here is really important. Right now, the current maximum score is set to 0. I'm going to use the example that a quiz has 10 questions. I will scroll down to the third option, selecting it, meaning each question has the same weight and score. When you are satisfied with your options, hit Save Changes. Now you're ready to input your quiz questions.